The molecular shape of PCl4 negative ion is, okay, so we're talking about molecular shape, and of course that's an application of the Vsepr theory. To determine the molecular shape, first of all, we got to be able to draw the Lewis structure. So let's go after the Lewis structure of PCl4 negative. Phosphorus is in group 5, so that means 5 valence electron. Chlorine's in group 7, and we got 4 of them, and that's 28 valence electrons. And of course, these 5 atoms can make a neutral molecule because you have odd number of electrons, but with one extra negative charge, you can make a polyatomic ion, and one extra negative charge means one extra valence electron. So altogether, we're talking about 34 valence electron, and divided by 2, we have 17 pairs of electron in the Lewis structure. So here we go. Phosphorus apparently is the central atom. All the 4 chlorines surrounding it. Let's give each of them a octet, and now that's 16 pairs used. We got 17 pairs. If you have any extra, put it on the central atom. And phosphorus is in the 3rd period, which means it does have empty d orbitals to take more than an octet. So octet expansion can be applied on phosphorus. So altogether, that's -1 charge. Now, to determine the molecular shape, we need to look at, on the central atom, how many regions of electron density. We got 1 lone pair and 4 single bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 regions of electron density. And 5 regions of electron density means, geometry-wise, we're talking about trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Okay, yeah. But that's geometry, that's not shape. If you have 5 bonds, then it's trigonal bipyramidal geometry and trigonal bipyramidal shape. We don't have 5 bonds. We have 4 bonds and 1 lone pair. And when it comes to shape, lone pairs are invisible. So here's our trigonal bipyramidal shape. Triangle in the middle and 2 perpendicular to the plane. And consider one of them invisible, and the Vsepr theory tells us that it's got to be one of those equatorial positions occupied by the lone pair, and without that, we're looking at this is gone, and this is the shape, and that is what we call a seesaw So PCl for negative ion would have a trigonal bipyramidal geometry and seesaw shape. Consider its lower structure and its regions of electron density.